Say goodbye to dry, irritated skin and embrace the goodness of our homemade eczema skin cream. With its natural and friendly ingredients, this cream is designed to bring comfort and nourishment to your delicate skin. Experience the soothing embrace of this cream and let your skin thrive with moisture and renewed vitality. Please do subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your loved ones. Hello and welcome to my dear viewers to my channel. In today's video we will learn how to make a simple cream for skin irritation, rashes, rough, dry skin and eczema condition. Eczema is a skin condition that causes dry and itchy patches of skin. It's a common condition that isn't contagious. Our recipe starts with a generous portion of 1/4 cup shea butter, known for its exceptional moisturizing properties. 1/4 cup of coconut oil and beeswax pellets for moisturization. Beeswax pellets is optional. Take 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets in a bowl and next add 1/4 cup of coconut oil. We need to melt the beeswax pellets. So take a double boiler. Double boiler are made up of 2 pieces, a large pot that is filled with hot or boiling water, and a smaller pot that fits inside to trap the steam from below. Keep this coconut oil and beeswax pellet ball on top of boiling water and melt the beeswax to combine it with the coconut oil. Take shea butter in a bowl. Now we shall take this warm coconut oil with beeswax pellets and a tushy butter. Use hand blender to blend the shea butter and oils together. Eczema is a term for several different types of skin swelling. Eczema is also called dermatitis. Most types cause dry, itchy skin and rashes on the face, inside the elbows and behind the knees, and on the hands and feet. Scratching the skin can cause it to turn red, and to swell and itch even more. This gentle and friendly eczema skin cream is a perfect companion for your daily skincare routine. Its nourishing properties can help alleviate itching, redness, and inflammation associated with eczema, providing much-needed relief. The carefully selected ingredients work together harmoniously, providing a soothing and comforting experience for your skin. Say goodbye to dry, irritated skin and embrace the goodness of our homemade eczema skin cream. With its natural and friendly ingredients, this cream is designed to bring comfort and nourishment to your delicate skin. Experience the soothing embrace of this cream and let your skin thrive with moisture and renewed vitality. Thank you for watching.